Welcome to Devices Help and Support, your ultimate destination for all things related to the device's setup, troubleshooting and optimizing your tech experiences. Today in this video we will discuss about the D-Link router setup process. With the help of this guide we will walk through the easy and short steps that help to complete the setup process and provide the seamless connectivity all of your workstation. In this video we will walk through easy and short steps. So don't miss out this video. First of all, unbox the product. Inside the D-Link AC1200 Gigabit router box, you'll find the router itself, a power adapter, an Ethernet cable, and a quick installation guide. So let's start the setup process. Plug the router into a power outlet using the provided power adapter. Use an Ethernet cable to connect your modem to the WAN/Internet port on the router. Connect your computer to one of the LAN ports on the router using an Ethernet cable. Find the default Wi-Fi network name, SSID, and password. This information is usually on a label on the router or in the router's documentation. On the connected device, open a web browser and enter the router's IP address in the address bar. The default IP is typically 192.168.0.1 or 192.168.1.1. The login page will appear. Enter the default login credentials, username, admin password, admin, or leave it blank. Refer to the documentation or label if different. The setup wizard will guide you through the process of configuring your internet connection. Choose the connection type, e.g., dynamic IP, static IP, PPPoE, based on your ISP's requirements. Enter any necessary information provided by your ISP. Change the default Wi-Fi SSID, network name, to something unique. Set a strong Wi-Fi password under the Wireless Security section. WPA2 is recommended for security. Now your setup process is complete. I hope this video will prove helpful for you. In case you face any type of difficulty, you are free to contact our professional experts at 1-323-507-3713. Our experts team will always guide you. Thank you so much to watching our video. And lastly, don't forget to like, share and subscribe our your YouTube channel Devices Help and Support. Stay tuned for more updates.